Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks that you can trade on the next week. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you're interested in Forex trading, then you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of the currency pairs. So let's get started. So the first stock for the next week is TC Energy, one of the most popular stock in the TSX. And this is the daily chart, and we can easily see that this stock is in uptrend. As we all know, these stocks are very good stock and these are like assets. And if you just observe the chart of the stock, then you can clearly see that this stock is in uptrend. And the best part is that this stock is following this trend line as a support. Therefore, in your charting platform, in your trading platform, just draw this trend line and wait for the perfect opportunity. Right now, the stock is trading at 61.63. This is the current market price, and there is a possibility that the stock will be coming down to this trend line to take support. Once you get TRP or TC Energy at the trend line, just go for a buy, because this is a once in a month opportunity. So buy TRP at the support level. The second stock for the next week is TD, Toronto Dominion Bank, one of the most beautiful stock in the TSX. For for the Toronto Dominion Bank, you can see that the current market price is 84.02. This is the current market price. Overall, the structure of the chart is very good. The stock is in uptrend. There is no doubt about it. But if we just observe at this particular portion, then we can see that right now the stock is in sideways. There is not much movement in the present chart of Toronto Dominion Bank. And we also have a support at this particular level, 81.52. Right now the stock is trading at 84 level, and we have a good support available at 81.52 level. Looking at the present structure of the chart, in case the stock comes down to the 81.52 level, and if you see the stock is reversing or the stock is about to go up again, if you see any trend reversal kind of a pattern at 81.52 level, it's a definitely buy call. Do not worry about it, because overall the structure of this chart is very beautiful. The stock is very bullish. So buy TD at 81.52 level. So let's jump to the third stock, and that is Brookfield Asset Management. So this is the chart of Brookfield Asset Management, and another beautiful chart. You can clearly see on the chart that the stock is in uptrend. The current market price is 62.56. The stock is trading here at 62.56 level. And you can see that this stock is also following a trend line as a support here, or whenever the price is coming down to take risk, it is getting the required support from this trend line, and we can consider this trend line as a dynamic support for the market. Therefore wait for the perfect opportunity. Keep your eyes in the stock of Brookfield Asset Management in the next week. Once you get the stock at this particular level, around 60, okay, around 60 level, if you find the stock taking support again at the trend line, because this trend line is acting as a bet for the market. So once you find the stock taking support at the trend line, go for a buy. Do not worry, go for a buy, because this chart is beautiful, this chart is clean. Let's jump to the fourth stock. It's CP, one of the most popular stock in the TSX. Unlike the other three stocks, the chart of Canadian Pacific Railway is not beautiful. And you can see that the current market price of the stock is 91.27. This is the current market price or the last traded price of the stock. This stock is the chart of this stock is not beautiful like the stocks that we have discussed earlier. But one thing that we need to know about the CP is that CP has a good support at this level, 88.64 level, and you can see that the stock trend is towards the downside right now. So in case the stock slides a little and takes support at the 88.64 level, then it's a buy call, because you can clearly see on the chart that whenever the stock came down to this particular support, it bounced. So therefore we can hope that the stock will bounce again if it touches the 88.64 level. Therefore you should keep your eyes on the 88.64 level at the Canadian Pacific Railway. This chart may not be beautiful, but this level is definitely beautiful. And the last stock for the next week is CM, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. This stock is also a very good stock and another beautiful stock from the TSX. You can clearly see on the chart that this stock is extremely bullish, and to be honest, this kind of stock should be in your portfolio for the long term, because these are like assets. And if you look at the chart carefully, then undoubtedly there is no doubt that this chart is an uptrend. And right now the stock is coming down to take risk. It does not mean that there is a trend reversal. So in your charting pattern, draw this trend line, because you can clearly see that this stock is moving in a wavy pattern. So whenever the stock is coming down to take risk, that is the best opportunity to grab the stock. If you do not have Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce in your portfolio, then my dear friend, draw this trend line and grab Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce whenever it comes down to the trend line to take support. Therefore, wait for the perfect opportunity. Once it gets or comes down to the support level, go for it. It's a definitely buy call on CM at the support level. Right now it is trading at 142.83 level. You will get it around 140 level. Anyways, these are the 5 stocks. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.